everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a rubber band spider web. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. You will need 4 rubber bands, and you're gonna have to experiment to figure out the right size. This is the size that I like to use, but rubber bands can be more or less flexible, so you want to experiment to figure out which rubber bands work best for you. I chose to use 4 different colored ones so that they're easier to understand which one's which. But the spider web made from rubber bands looks a lot better when it's just one color, because it looks more like a spider web. So let's get right into the video. I'll show you exactly how to do it, and I'll tell you which hand I'm using, and you can just replicate it at home with your own hands. So essentially, we're going to start like this. My left hand, I am getting 1 rubber band between my index finger and my thumb, just like that, okay? Now with my right hand, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another rubber band, and I'm going to put it over, the whole thing like this is going to go over, so it's going over top of both of those, okay? And I'm grabbing both ends of it and I'm pulling it down like that. So like it's wrapped around, as you can see, sorry, I have an itch on my head over here. I got a scratch. Sorry about that. It's wrapped around. We're going to pull it down. I'm going to get my index and my middle finger on my right hand and I'm opening it up like that, okay? Now I'm going to reach through, and with my index finger, I'm going to grab this loop like that. With my middle finger on my right hand, I'm going to grab that loop right that, like that, okay? That loop like that, not right that, but like that with my right hand, okay? Now I'm going to reach my thumb through this red rubber band, which is the second one that we were dealing with, and I'm going to basically release it from these fingers like that and pull my 2 fingers holding the green one through like that. That's the first step. That's actually the hardest part. The rest of it is actually really easy. So now I'm going to use my left ring finger. See right here, just to put into perspective, I'm married. This is my wedding ring. So whenever you see the wedding ring, it's always the left hand, just to put into perspective. Left ring finger grabs this one from my right middle finger, and my left pinky grabs this one from my right index finger. Now I have it all on one hand, as you can see like that. My middle finger on my left hand is doing nothing. So now we're going to get the next rubber band. This is where it gets easy. We're going to wrap this rubber band around all 4 fingers that are holding the web. So this is going to go around my left index, left ring, left pinky, left thumb, all the way around. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach through and I'm going to bring the green rubber band, which was rubber band number 1, over top of the blue one, which was rubber band number 3. So I'm reaching through here, okay? I'm grabbing the green rubber band and it's going over top of the blue one. Now my finger is on the blue rubber band. Same thing with my left ring finger, okay? I'm reaching through and I'm grabbing the green one. It's going over top of the blue and releasing it over my finger. Grab the green one on the pinky, going over top of the blue, releasing it on my finger. And I'm reaching through, grabbing the green one, just like that, releasing it. You can start to see we're getting our spider web. Looks pretty cool. We're gonna do the exact same thing again for the next step with a 4th rubber band and we're done. So around the thumb, around the index, around the ring, and around the pinky. Now we have that tan colored rubber band. Same thing. I'm going to reach through, okay? Going to reach through, and I'm bringing the blue rubber band, which was the last one that we dealt with, over top of my finger, releasing it. Blue rubber band comes over top of my finger, releasing it. Reach through, blue rubber band comes over top of my finger, release. Blue rubber band comes over top of my finger, release. My hand is tired. You got to give me a second here. My hand, I'm holding it like that. Woo! It's burning. Anyways, okay, give me a second. Okay, I think we're good. Now, as you can see, that's the spider web right there made from rubber bands. You can obviously even it out like that, you know, manipulate it so you even it out. That's it. It's that simple. That is how to make a spider web from rubber bands. It's not hard. If you have all of the same color rubber bands, it looks even better. That's it. If you like this video, my hand's so give me a second. Okay, we're gonna finish this up now so I can release my hand. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.